Good evening.
Hello, good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. And what's about you?
I am also doing very well. By the way, what's your name, sir?
Sir, my name is Jeet Kumar.
Jeet Kumar. Basically, where are you from?
Sir, I'm from Sadash.
You are from Sardar, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what do you do, sir?
So basically, I'm a student of BSc second year, and in my part-time job, I'm doing teacher. I'm a teacher.
You are doing teacher's job in part time, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I just want to ask you that since when have you been coming to my academy here?
Sir, I'm coming to your academy for last 3 months also.
For the last 3 months.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So would you like to share your experience? By the way, that in today's time, people say that English is very important language. You can see that. So what would you like to share about this same? That English is important or not?
Yes, sir. You are completely right because English is very important in this generation because we can't survive in upcoming time without English if we don't have knowledge of English language. Before coming here, I have the knowledge of grammar and vocabulary, but I was not able to speak English. But
Yeah.
after coming here,
Yeah.
I see the environment and the teaching style. After seeing this,
Yeah.
I can speak and English
Very well.
very
Better
well.
than that,
Yes,
right?
sir. Better
Okay.
than before.
Better than before.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you just want to say that before joining this academy, your English fluency was not so better. That is right now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have noticed one thing more, that people and the parents especially focus and they are just after about the degrees and only the marks in their students' mark sheet, right? They just don't focus to the skills of speaking English and chat GPT, AI or other skills. Basically, the students find themselves very comfortable, but the parents see only the marks and degrees. What would you like to say about marks are important or skills are important?
Sir, at today's time, skills are very important because
Yeah.
of degrees are just a waste of time if we don't have any practical knowledge.
Yeah.
This is why the English fluency and other kind of activities like knowledge of AIs and computers are
Yeah.
very important. And if we don't know about English language or other things, we can't survive in the upcoming time.
Okay, so you just want to say that if a student doesn't have the knowledge English, so he or she can survive in this small town. But whenever they get the chance to step out of Sardar Sir, step out of Rajasthan, that it's become very difficult to survive for them without English, right?
Yes, sir. Degrees can't take us at a long time anymore
Okay,
from now.
so degrees and marks are just only for showing that what is your academic intelligence. But for a practical platform, if you are giving the chance to perform yourself, so without English you can't survive, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what would you like to say? What is your opinion, by the way, the environment which I am providing here for the students in teaching English? Do you want to say something about the environment?
Well, sir, I will say only one thing that the environment and the teaching style is very well and very unique. I will say also because it's very practical. It's
Okay.
not like just telling the sentences. The way you teach is like practical. In the normal talks, you tell the sentences and the vocabularies
All right.
in practical way. It's very
So
good.
you mean to say that we are providing the students a practical knowledge and our teaching style or teaching way is completely simple. We are basically starting from simple to advanced level, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what would you like to say? Only formulas, patterns are important, or practice is important in learning English?
Sir, grammar and the rules
Formulas.
knowledge can't be a guarantee of we can speak English very fluently.
Yeah.
Practice is the only way that we can speak English.
Only.
If I know all the grammatical rules, it can't be guarantee that I can speak English very well.
Okay.
Speaking and the formula rules are completely different things.
Completely different
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Okay. So, what message would you like to give to the parents if they are watching our video about skills, about only marks and degrees? What would you like to say about to the parents? Suppose
I'll only say one thing, sir, that is the degrees are important, but
in today's
in
time,
the when we compare themselves with the skills,
yeah.
they are uncomparable. I think because
Okay.
skills are very important right now.
Okay. By the way, since when have you been coming to this academy for learning English?
So I'm coming from last 3 months.
3 months, and you think that you have made your English better than I think
Yes,
when you joined the coaching,
absolutely,
right?
sir, absolutely.
You got the improvement, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it's a very nice feedback from your side. Thank you very much for coming and sharing your experience with all the parents and with us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.